In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your age on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Facebook app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to menu. On menu, tap at that gear to head over to settings and privacy, and then tap at see more in account center. You will be taken to the Meta account center where right here you need to tap at personal details. That's where we can easily find our current birthday. We need to get into it, and here to continue we need to tap at edit. That's where we can easily edit our birthday. We can select month, day and year in that simple way, and then to save the changes we just need to hit right here at save. Just keep in mind that this birthday is used for the accounts and profiles in this Meta account center, and any changes you make will apply to all of them. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.